How to post stories on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the For You page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Tap on this plus option. With that, your camera will open up. Now you can click the video to upload in your TikTok, or also you can choose from the gallery. For now, I'm gonna select the video from my gallery. After you select the video, tap on next. After you select the video, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the right corner, you will find different features of TikTok. You can use these features to edit your video. And after you are done, you will see this option of your story and next. Tap on the option of your story. With that, the video is in the process to be added in your TikTok story. Your story was uploaded. Now head towards your profile. Now over here you can find this section for your story. So you can easily post stories on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.